Welcome to vlog number 6 for Restore Church, where we invite you in on our journey of planting Restore Church, and we share with you the good, the bad, the ugly, everything in between. And right now for Restore Church, we're in this series of Monentum, and we're excited about the future. And in fact, we've had a number of successful events that we've hosted, and I want to share with you just one of those events. Recently, we participated in the Halloween extravaganza that the city of Chino puts together. This is an event that drew about 5,000 people from all over Chino. And they allowed us to have a booth there where we hosted games, we handed out candy, volunteers came to help make this event possible. And while we were there, we were able to talk to 400 people about Restore Church. Wow, it was a busy night, and so thankful to all the volunteers who came out to make this night possible.
Every second that it takes is a sign we're on the way. Wait to the rhythm of the moment that we're making.
Also at this Halloween event, we invited people to our community interest event the following weekend, and we had a good number of people come. And in fact, of everyone who came, 5 of those people were brand new faces, 5 of them. We were able to cast the vision about Restore Church, where we're going, where we see God is calling us. We were able to cast our heart for where we see Jesus calling us to go. It was so exciting to share vision with this brand new church plan, to see people get excited about it. And the next day, we had 3 of those new faces come to Bible study that we host every Sunday. Wow. So we're gaining momentum. People are getting excited about Restore Church, and we are pumped about what God is doing. This coming Thanksgiving, we have an opportunity to help those in our community. And so Kaz has put on the Nextdoor app, which is the community app for Chino and other cities as well. And she says, if you are in need this Thanksgiving season, let us know. And so far, 9 people have reached out to us, and our Bible study group, those who are connected with Restore Church, have said, yes, I want to be a part of it. And people have donated money, and people have given, said, hey, I'll buy a turkey. And so what we're doing with these 9 families is we're providing meals for them for Thanksgiving. And then they're going to come pick up the meals, and we're going to be able to pray with them and say, may God bless you. And we want to be a blessing in the community. And this is where we talk about small beginnings. And we're starting small, but I envision next year double or tripling or quadrupling that number of families that we could help and bless and connect with and be a resource for throughout their lives. And so we're excited. I could say a lot more. I want to say a lot more, but I just want to keep this video to the quick highlights. If you would, continue to keep Restore Church in prayer. Continue to keep the future in prayer. There's a lot more coming, so stay tuned for the next vlog.